Hi, I'm here with Luis from Chroma Systems, and he's got some sources and loads and battery cyclers that he's going to tell us about. Luis, what do we have here?
Well, this is one of our newest products that we've introduced into the market. This is what we call a bidirectional diesel source and load. So you have the ability to source voltage out to a power supply. Let's say you're testing a DC to DC converter, and let's say it's bidirectional. We can also load the actual product and put it back into the grid. Right now, a big push on the EV market, it's battery simulation. So now you have a 3-in-1 where we can also do battery simulation on these puppies. So it's a source, a load, and a battery simulator all in one. We can also expand them up to 50 kilowatts. The voltage ranges are between 100 volts to 1200 volts, and the current can go all the way up to 1000 amps.
Cool. That's a pretty nice supply you have there.
Thank you.
You got another one queued up for us.
Yeah, so we have another new product now on the AC world where we can, same thing, source AC power, use it as an AC load. Let's say you're testing a UPS, or if you're testing solar inverters, we can use it as a grid simulator. I mean, the difference between one and the other is that we source power, we take power, or we set a voltage reference, take the power back, and then back onto the grid. This will help you test your PV inverters, your power supplies, any AC type products that you need to load them down. So this is the second product that we've introduced as of late, and I think it'll be a game changer in the market.
I see. And it's sized for things like PV inverters and...
Correct, and the power levels we have on these guys, it's 9 kVA, 12 kVA, 15 kVA, and then we can go all the way up to 700 kVA. The maximum voltage is going to be up to 300 volts line to neutral in single phase, and then obviously we can go up to 600 volts line to line. Another product that we've introduced this year, it's a 1U DC power supply up to 3 outputs where we can have up to 5 kilowatts in a single frame. This will be excellent for any AT applications. We also have the ability, as some of our other sources, where we have a programmable constant power envelope, meaning that if you buy a 100 volt, 100 amp source, typically it's 10 kilowatts. In our case, it's going to be a much lower power, let's say 5 kilowatts. We can go all the way up to 100 volts, all the way out to 100 amps, limiting each side as long as you're under the same power envelope. Again, we have 3 outputs. We also have the typical square wave DC source where, let's say it's 10 volt, 10 amps, 10 kilowatts. We can also do that on these guys. So those are the 3 products that we've introduced at this show, and we've garnered a good attention on them.
That's all good stuff, Luis.
Thank you.
Where can our viewers go to get more information?
You can get more information on our website. It's www.chromausa.com. That's CHROMA USA.com. Or you can call us at 949-600-6400, and you have a sales option.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you.